Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وإن تطع أكثر من في الأرض يضلوك عن سبيل الله إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن هم إلا يخرصون. Translation: If you obey most of those on the earth, they will mislead you astray from the way of Allah. They follow not except assumptions, and they do nothing except falsifying. This is a common observation, and also the history is very clear about that in this world the people who ponder, the people who do research, and the people who lead their lives with the principles are few. Majority of the people are those who just make their own ways by making their thought process and making their assumptions, and majority of the people follow these kind of people. So if, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you will listen to the people who are in majority, they will make you astray from the straight path. This is addressed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but this is to tell the common man and the people of Quraysh and the whole world. The illiterate majority of the people follow those that is common in the society, and these thoughts come from the devils. And one of the thoughts that the people of mushrikeen used to say was about the zabiha and the laws that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave about the halal and haram in animals, and the maita, or the animal who is dead because of falling from a height or because of getting other injury or getting suffocated for some reason, is haram before that animal is slaughtered. And the people used to say that this animal is killed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the Muslims say that it is haram, and those animals that they kill with their own hand, they say it halal, and this is strange. The answer of this question comes in the second ayah from this one, and we will study inshallah tomorrow. These waswasa and false thoughts are put in human heart by the devils of the shayateen, and then the devils of the ins or humans spread it. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the authority to give the hukum, and in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's hukum there is no argument which carries any weight. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إن ربك هو أعلم من يضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين. Translation: Indeed, your Rabb is best knowing who strays from his way, and he knows very well who are guided right. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the clear commandments in Quran, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has given the way to go on the straight path. And when Muslims have accepted, they have to accept all the commandments, whether small or big, and this acceptance must not depend on our own understanding with our mind and brain. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us act on all the commandments of Islam. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi